Hey, I am Radhika. I am here to tell you about the Ivy Villa membership. Ivy Villas runs more than 20 plus villas and homes and have tie-up with 20 plus elite hotels in India. Would you believe if I said you can go on a private family holiday at just 1% cost of an entire villa for the next 25 years? Membership has no blackout dates. Book 9 months in advance. No hidden charges. Very less maintenance per stay. The points given every year does not expire for the next 5 years if unused. The Ivy membership has a unique and flexible points system. It gives you complete flexibility to choose the type of accommodation and season of your holiday every year. We do not have any blackout dates like other holidays or timeshares. Ivy Villas are self-service, designed for families of all sizes. Large, well-appointed bungalows and studio rooms. Most of our house and villas have kitchen, Wi-Fi, TV, indoor and outdoor games, and swimming pools to make your holiday experience unique and complete. When you buy an Ivy Villas membership plan, you actually buy points. Different plans give you different numbers of points. Equivalent number of points are credited to your account every year for the next 25 years. You can split your points and take multiple holidays within the same year. You can book a minimum of 1 night in any season. No restrictions of minimum nights. Enjoy your Ivy Villas membership just the way you want. Thank you.